What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing analysis on MVST ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then we will continue with the fundamentals of this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast for the price of this stock. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to take a part in the limited time offer from WeBull and earn 2 free stocks valued up to $2,300, just open new account, deposit only $5 and choose your free stocks. Link in my description. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, we have very good surge in price during last several sessions. From this bottom of around $7.9 to the top of this movement, we had about 70% of potential profits. And from this top to our current price, we have about 13-12% decline. So, as you can see, this stock is extremely volatile right now. And from this top to this bottom, this stock lost about 70% of its value. And I have to say that it is a SPAC merger and it was announced somewhere right here at the beginning of February. And this surge in price for about 140% was an anticipation of the merger. Then by the rumor sell the news, we have this decline. And right here at this point, somewhere on July 21st, we have completed the announcement that on July 23rd, these two companies will become one company, and we have MVST ticker for now. And since then, we have only basically several days, not more than a couple of weeks, of real price action of MVST company. So, and let's continue with their fundamentals. First of all, let's start with the company profile. Microvast Incorporated, together with its subsidiaries, designs and manufactures fast-charging battery power systems for commercial and specialty electric vehicles. The company provides several types of batteries and rapid charge battery technologies. It offers sales lithium-ion battery materials, battery cells and system for hybrid electric vehicles. So, and let me show you their official website. It is quite interesting and you can find right here a lot of information, but we are interested in their investor presentation, and this presentation was made at the very beginning of February. And I want to pay your attention just on a couple of slides. First of all, this slide number 13, large addressable market, which is at a key inflection point. And this is the commercial vehicle sales in the United States, Europe, China, Japan and South Korea. And as you can see, gray bars, it is diesel and gasoline engines. Next one, blue, other alternative fuels, and the green ones is totally electric vehicles. And as you can see, the share of totally electric vehicles by the 2040 will become almost a half of entire fleet. And this means from 2020 to 2025, this sector has a 55% compound annual growth rate. From 2025 to 2030, it has 25% compound annual growth rate. And from 2030 to 2040, it has 9% compound annual growth rate. So, and they also have another opportunities as passenger vehicles, energy storage solutions and consumer electronics. And these industries has 34% of compound annual growth rate, 21% and 7% respectively. So they operate on extremely hot market. This means this company from the fundamental standpoint definitely has a bright future. And let me show you this news. We are on Seeking Alpha, and this article was published on July 29th and it's titled Eversum selects Microvast as its primary battery partner. And this partnership might be a very good potential long-term catalyst, because Eversum develops products and solutions that then facilitate an efficient transition from combustion engine-based public transport to an ecosystem for electric public transport. The Eversum e-shuttle and electric shuttle bus will be outfitted with the newly developed battery solution. E-shuttle is expected to be the first among several types of electric buses and special vehicles. The companies have agreed upon terms and are currently finalizing a framework supply agreement for the supply of battery systems totaling over 100 million euro over 6 years, including products manufactured at Microvast's new European facility. And let's continue with more fundamentals. It was an announcement on July 21st, as I already mentioned, that Tuscan Holdings shareholders approved business combination, and it was a SPAC merger in order to Microvast becomes a publicly traded company on Nasdaq. And right here you can see that the previously announced business combination is expected to provide $822 million of gross proceeds to Microvast. And let me show you that they will spend this money right here on their investor presentation. They intended to use of proceeds to manufacturing facility build out in the United States and Europe, fulfillment of customer demand and debt repayment. And this company from the fundamental standpoint is very stable, but we don't have enough fundamental news to have this massive surge in price for about 64%. And the reason of this massive spike is Wall Street bets. We are on kiverkant.com, as you can see, and we have daily mentions for the recent tickers, and MVST ticker is the leader among all the tickers right here. And this means this surge in price for more than 60% was made by the Wall Street bets community. And let me show you this article. It was published on Investor Place 11 hours ago, and it's titled MVST Stock, What Investors Are Saying as Microvast Squeezes Higher. And right here, let me show you that a deep dive on Reddit shows that investors are not just looking at MVST as a stock to pump. Rather, investors like Microvast because it has fundamental strength as an EV play. It is one of the only lithium-ion battery manufacturers that operates in the United States. Much of the market lies in the hands of China. As the United States and its home team automakers pledge to make electric vehicles priority, US-born lithium-ion batteries are crucial, and especially as the Department of Energy looks to tap into domestic lithium mining operations. Microvast can count on growing its business. So this means not only Wall Street bets drives the price of this stock up, but the long-term fundamentals also might be a very good catalyst. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. So let's take a look on indicators. Right here on daily time frame, we are pretty much neutral with RSI indicator, and we have very strong tick to the upside with MACD. We have this crossover, and this means that we might have a positive sentiment for this price action in nearest future. Let me show you 4 hours time frame. As you can see, we barely hit the border in between overbought and neutral territory, and for now we definitely have a room to grow to the upside. Let's switch to 3 hours time frame. The same situation, we have absolutely the same situation. Next one, 2 hours time frame. Absolutely the same. We don't have bearish divergence yet because we don't have lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on the price action. We definitely might see this divergence in next trading session, but we definitely have some room to grow. And let me show you that next potential resistance line might be at around $14 price point, but the most important line is right here, slightly above $15 mark. And let me mark it for you. It is right here. And from current price we have about, let me show it to you, about 28% to this resistance. And what should you do if you want to invest in this asset, if you want to try to catch this trade? Basically, in my opinion, we have we might have at least one more leg to the upside, because for now we have a consolidation phase during the previous trading session on Friday, and on Monday we might have a massive spike in volume and in price to hit this resistance, or maybe even to break it. So, and what should you do? First of all, you have to do your own due diligence. And then you have to follow my 3 simple rules. First of all, do not put the money that you are not willing to lose. Second one, do not go all in. And third one, do not put stop loss close to your entry price. And in my opinion, if we will go slightly lower than our current price, we might hit, let me show it to you. As you can see, we hit 0.382 level, and from this point we bounced back. We might hit again 0.382 level, or maybe even 0.5 level. And from this point we might go higher. And this means you can start to accumulate your position from current price, but you have to be prepared to ladder your buys down in order to achieve more attractive average price. And if we hit the all-time low, it is a $7.82, roughly this point. This from $8.99 to $7.82, it is the most attractive price to invest in this company for the long term. This means we have two possibilities. First of all, we can try to catch the short-term trend, or if the price will go lower, we can accumulate our major position in between $9 and $8 price points. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!